Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Please excuse any vehicle noise. I'm just parked on the side of the road. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day today. Just absolutely beautiful. We're having a great day to overnight, except I had a friend. This is the first weekend off because my work schedule changed. So this is actually the first official weekend I've had off in like over a year, other than requesting 2 days. So this is the first weekend, and as soon as I found out about the schedule, pardon the camera, I'm trying to get it level. It didn't look level to me. I had to go see my longtime friend and brother from another mother. Haven't seen him in like months, like literally months, because I've always been working weekends and he has weekends off. So like, well, that was the first thing I did. I called him. I said, hey, guess what? I got weekends off. Let's hang out. And he said maybe go camping, which I would have been fine with, except I said, well, you know, it's going to be a Saturday when we go out. I don't know if there'll be anything open. Fortunately, there was a spot here open, but they may have already left, or just nobody camped here because it's right by the road. I don't know, but you know, it is what it is. So anyway, I wanted to talk about a comment that I got today from my buddy Chris at Chris's Variety Channel, and he made a comment about it being April in one of my videos, and I wanted to say, because I shot that video in April, and a lot of the times when you see videos, you know, they're weeks. They can be up to 3 weeks old, because there's no timeline. There's no timeline I follow. I'll just upload whatever, whenever. I mean, the only time I'll put videos up in an order is when they're a part series, like 1, 2, 3. Like, I'm planning on my next overnighter. I'm going to take that military pup tent out now that I've got it waterproofed, and I'm going to go and overnight with it. And you know, when I do that, it wouldn't make sense to load up the morning. You know, I get up and I'll probably set the camera outside the tent. You'll see me crawling out of it, you know, and then making breakfast, packing the tent up, you know, and then I post day 2 after that, or day 1, where I'm setting it up and getting my day going. And that wouldn't make any sense. That's why that's the only time I upload in the concession is then. But I'll bounce around all over the place. I'll upload a video in the same week. Like this video I'm planning on putting up on a Thursday this next week as like kind of a bonus video. And then Friday's video is going to be Fatwood Friday, which I'm going to do today. But then Saturday's video is going to be something I shot like 2 weeks ago. Because 1, it makes sense in the timeline, but 2, you know, it adds that variety I talk about. I mean, the Fatwood Friday are a little, it's the same thing over and over again, but it's for the shout out, which I already shot today. Because I've got 2 back-to-back double shifts this week, so I'm not sure I'm going to have time to get out, shoot the video, and then also get home and edit. So I'm going to be doing the Fatwood Friday on a Sunday. But, you know, it is what it is. So, yeah. So that's kind of why I do that. You know, sometimes it just has to feel right. Like I'll actually push videos back. Specifically, if I want to post them on like on a Saturday or Sunday, I'll post them. I'll push them back all the way till next week, just because the timing feels right, or depending on what kind of video it is. Of course, see cast iron cooking currently right now. So if I post this video on Thursday, that will be up yesterday, and I actually shot that a week ago because I knew I was going to be working Wednesday, and I wasn't sure I was going to have enough time to buy all the ingredients, cook the meal, and then edit the video, and then upload it. So it's going to be it's already shot and done. In fact, I shot it the day after I shot the fajitas video because I had some of the leftovers. So I went and did another video, got it all edited, ready to rock. You know, it's nice to plan ahead. It's nice to be ahead of the game a little bit. So because I don't know what this week's gonna bring. And actually, I was asked to work today. You know, it would have been nice to pull 12 extra hours of overtime, but the site they wanted me to work at was like hour and 15-minute drive away. It's like, wow, I have to get up at like 3:30 in the morning and be out of the house by like 4. Well, no, not 3:30, 4:30. I'd have to leave the house by like 4:30. Leave the house at 4:30 to get to work on time, and it's like, yeah, it's not worth it for me. No, I'm not going to do it. So I told them no. Anything over a half an hour, it's not worth it to drive all the way down there. So anyway, that's kind of why I do that. For those who may be wondering, it's like, you know, you might see like, I mean, my outfits usually don't change all that much, but you might be seeing me wearing a baseball cap in one day's video. In the next day's video, I'm wearing the black hat. And today I'm wearing this brown Stetson hat. This is actually kind of a new one. I just saw it one day on the shelf and I put it on. I'm like, oh, that feels real comfortable. So I grabbed it. So that's maybe why you might notice different hats. I don't bring a truckload of hats with me. So anyway, I guess I've rambled enough. Appreciate your watching. Appreciate your comments. Thank you, as always, and I'll catch you in the next one.